Welcome to online class. Today we are going to discuss class 5, my world of computer. Today we will discuss chapter 2, types of software. Now let us we begin. In the previous chapter we have learned about how a computer system came into existence. But do you know how computer system work? What is the main component with which it accepts all the instructions and reacts accordingly before giving the result or output on the screen? A computer is nothing without any instruction or order given by us human beings. So computer has to work with human being. It follows the instructions and performs the operations according to the specified instructions. The main components that handles all the above said things is a software. So software term, what is that? A term used in computer system. Now we will discuss software. So what is that? The software. Before elaborating the above term, we will discuss an example. You all know about a washing machines for washing clothes. Do you know how it works or how your clothes are cleaned in the washing machines? We simply put the dirty clothes in the machines and switch on the button. The machine itself takes the water, asks for the detergent and washes the clothes in the set time period. Okay, it is because the instructions are already given in the console of the washing machines that functions according to the set criteria. These instructions are the softwares which are used for the working of the washing machines. See, a computer system is simply a dumb box without the software content in it. It is a dumb box. You see, computer system or we cannot do in computer, so it will be laying on the table. The set of instructions given to a computer is called program. So program we find in the computer, that is a set of instruction. Okay, set of instruction is given to the computer, that is called program. The instructions are well organized in a list or the specific order in which the computer has to perform the actions in a predetermined manner. These programs are written in one or the other languages. So these programs also, it is written one language or other languages. That is, you see, both by computer and the human beings. Some of the most widely used languages are Java, C, C++, Pythons. Okay, these things are Ruby, and many more also languages are there. Like that, many languages we find. So software, you see, software two types, that is system software and application software. So system software, three types are there, that is operating systems, utility softwares, language softwares. Then application software, you see two types, that is general purpose application software and specific purpose application software. System software, you see, the term system software is defined as a single program or set of programs that handles all the functions of a computer system. So system software what? That is a single program or set of programs, okay, that handles all the functions of a computer system. It controls the overall working of a computer system along with its peripheral devices. It helps in accepting the data input from the input devices as well as providing the data output using output devices. Basically, it is a software that provides a platform for all other softwares to work on it. So all other software it will work in system software. As we know, the system software, that is three types, that is operating system, utility software, language processor. Now one by one we will discuss. So operating system, what is that? Operating systems. An operating system, also we say OS, that is short form, is a primary or the main system software that controls the functioning of the hardware and software components of a computer system. So operating system, what it works, it is hardware and software components of a computer system, okay. It acts as a gateway between the computer applications and the user working on the system. It manages the input devices, output devices, storage devices, and network devices as well. So it is manages, that is input devices, output devices, storage devices, and network devices. When a computer is switched on, okay, when we switch on the computer, the first program that runs and is loaded in the memory is the operating system, okay, which is it is loaded or it runs, no? That is called memory is the operating system. This is called booting process of a computer system, okay. For example, let us see a manager in a bank is responsible for all the operation handled in the bank. He supervises all the employees of the banks, like how to work and give the instructions as well. So operating system also like that, okay, like bank manager, okay, how the bank manager he supervises or he tells to the employers to work or do this or that, like that operating system also works. We can see the operating systems are like Windows HP, then Linux, Unix, then Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac OS, then Google's Android's OS, like that many more we can see. Functions of an operating system. So functions of an operating system, what are there? Let us see. Managing computer memory, okay, we have memory, that how it manages. You see, it allocates the memory to the processes being operated while performing a task. It deallocates the memory when the process is completed and can be used for other purposes, okay. And handling processes, you see, an operating system handles all the processes given by the user or the processes stored in the system. In a multitasking environment, when there are a number of processes to be executed, the operating system prioritize these processes and they execute accordingly in the same order. So how it can handle the process? Now you see management of devices. How the operating system, how it can manage the devices. The operating system controls all the devices attached to the computer system, whether it is an input or output, network or storage devices. Then keeping track of files. An operating system keeps a track of the information related to all the files stored in the computer system. In computer system also we have files. How it can track of the information related to all the files. This information includes creation, deletion, status or location of a file that is used in the system. Then now security you see. An operating system prevents the data and files from an unauthorized access by using passwords or other techniques. With this, one cannot misuse the computer or its data. So security also, how we can give the our mobile using security password we are giving, like that we can give also in computer also operating system. Okay, our data nobody can see. Okay, so next class we will be discussing type of an operating system. So today we will this much only we will discuss. Thank you for watching this video.